Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yealink Desk Phone, either a T33G, T42S, a bunch of other models. I'll put a list of all the applicable models in the description. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this basically for three reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this phone not working, not connecting, seems to be not responding, things like that, you can very often fix this with a hard reset. The second reason is if you forgot your password, administrative password, we can default it to the admin and admin. And the third reason is if you just want to get this set up as a new phone, we can, coming out of the box for whatever reason, we can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is go ahead and we're going to long press the OK button on here for 5 seconds. And then once that happens, it's going to prompt you for the administrative password, which we will enter as admin, username, admin, password, admin. And then once that happens, if you press it'll ask you just to confirm, and you'll hit the yes soft key in order to trigger the full factory reset.